Hi, I'm Charlotte Lawson, a registered licensed dietitian here in Tampa Bay, Florida. If you're looking at a diet for longevity, general health, and decreasing chronic disease, well, check out MyPyramid.gov. It's an excellent tool that goes over the MyPyramid guidelines that are nationally set guidelines for all general Americans. This consists of whole grains, fruits, vegetables, low and lean dairy, and other low meat and bean sources that gives us that good protein. Again, a well-rounded diet is your best way to have that longevity. We absorb our vitamins and minerals from our fruits and vegetables and natural sources better than we do supplements. But if you're not getting a well-rounded diet, a supplement may be an answer for you. Good amounts of vitamins and minerals help with that longevity and overall immunity. Also keep in mind that a healthy diet plan goes right in conjunction with a good exercise regimen. So a good combination of exercise and diet, also good sleep and hydration, can help with overall health, immunity, and longevity. One other key point is try to increase the fiber in your diet. Fiber has been proven to lower certain risks of cancer and again help with that lower risk of even heart disease or other things like that. For more information on diet for longevity and general healthy eating, check out eathappy.info. I'm Charlotte, and eat happy.